So I call this new piece Typewriter. Written, of course, by myself, RebelpJones. A pleasure never known before, a systematic rhythm of energy inside, a chaotic sound of almost invisible static in the air. A vibration in my bones, a surge in electricity that seems to go against the current of my blood. It sends shivers throughout as my eyes are forced open and my fingers are made to type. I'm certainly not conscious here, some sort of meditative state where my fingers feel as if they were controlled by invisible pulleys and weights, oh, puppet strings. Tapping with vicious force, attacking each letter key with such intense intention, and my mind is taken over by the voices of those who lived back in ancient ancestral days with histories long forgotten or just sadly ignored and stuffed away as humanity somewhere down the line lost its natural goodness and humane ways. I'm the scribe, the typewriter, even at times recite the histories of lost stories, unimportant to those involved in hiding scandalous history cover-ups of those that were slaved for elite socialites, mixed breeding with those they publicly persecuted and swore they disliked. Or the drunken sailor telling tales of the sea beasts and mythic gods that struck down upon earth and the seas with mighty lightning rods. My mind is attached to energies of history, and I've learned some ways to tap into that and interpret the stories told to me through this pen, this cellular phone, this typewriter. At this haunted desk I'm writing at as I sit in this chair that's felt the flow of many who sat to splash profound poetic ink or different views the rest of the world are scared to think or speak. Good morning. Thank you for waking up today. RebelpJones out. Peace.